In this video, we'll break down the 4 main welding positions and the techniques used for each. In welding, understanding the different positions is essential for producing clean, strong and safe welds. Welding positions refer to the orientation of the weld joint and the direction the weld is made. Let's start with the flat position, often labelled 1G for a butt weld and 1F for a fillet weld. This is the easiest and most common position. The workpiece is horizontal and gravity helps the molten metal flow into the joint. Use a steady travel speed and keep your torch or electrode angle slightly tilted, around 10 to 15 degrees from vertical, to control the puddle and minimise spatter. Next is the horizontal position, or 2G and 2F. This involves welding on the side of a horizontal joint. Gravity now works against you slightly, pulling the weld pool downward. Keep a tighter arc and adjust your travel angle to maintain control. For MIG or stick welding, a slight weaving motion may help distribute heat evenly and avoid sag. The vertical position, known as 3G or 3F, is more advanced. Here, you're welding up or down a vertical surface. For vertical up, use a lower amperage and a controlled upward weave to build a strong weld with good penetration. For vertical down, use higher speed and lower heat input, best for thinner materials. The most challenging position is the overhead weld, 4G or 4F. In this position, molten metal fights gravity and can drip or sag easily. Use a small, tight arc and work with lower heat settings. Maintain a short stick out or arc length and use fast, steady motion to prevent build-up and reduce spatter. Mastering all welding positions not only improves your skills, it prepares you for any job, on site, in the workshop, or out in the field. Komatsu Training Academy, creating value together.